Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos and videos on an Android device in a simple and effective way. If you've accidentally deleted important pictures or videos, don't worry, this method can help you get them back quickly. First, go to the Gallery app. This is where all your photos and videos are normally stored. Once the gallery is open, look for the three-line menu icon or three-dot menu, usually located in the top or bottom corner of the screen. Tap on it to open additional options. Next, find and select the trash, recycle bin, or recently deleted folder. Different Android brands may use different names, but the function is the same. Inside this folder, you'll see all the photos and videos that were deleted recently. Now, browse through the list and select the photos or videos you want to recover. You can select one item or multiple items at the same time. After selecting, tap on the Restore option. Your selected files will be restored immediately to their original location in the gallery. Please keep in mind that this recovery method only works for items deleted within the last 30 days. After that period, the files are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered using this method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.